National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Nassau County in southeast New York until 2:45 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Great Neck and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Manhasset, Port Washington, Glen Cove, Westbury, Brookville, Bayville, Oyster Bay, Syosset, Plainview, and Woodbury. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following county: Nassau County, New York. Here is a special website.